Hi, welcome to the series on Best of GMAT. I'm Sainath Katturipalli with a new problem-solving question from Arithmetic. Right. So before you start watching an answer explanation to this question, I would recommend you to take a pause of this video for 2 minutes, work the question on your own, and then resume back watching this video. Certainly this way it will add value to your learning. Okay, so now coming to this question, it's given that milk production in both the years 2007 and 2014. And the question over here is asking how many more million gallons of milk production happened in 2014 than in 2007. Going by the question, it's too simple because the milk productions in both the years 2007 and 2014 is given and is asking how many more million gallons production happened in 2014 than in 2007. So it's just a matter of subtraction. It's a very easy question. But the trickiest part in this question, if you watch it closely, you understand that there is a difference in units. In 2007, the units given is million pounds. Whereas when it comes to 2014, it's given billion pounds. And now, when it comes to the questioning part, he's asking you in million gallons. Got it? This is not asked in pounds. It's asking in gallons. So there's a need of bringing the units common. So somebody trying to work the question, assuming it's just a matter of subtraction, they will be into a trap. Now, coming to the question, we are given that in 2007, the milk production is 980 million pounds, and 2014, it's 22.7 billion pounds. If you know that 1 billion is 1,000 millions, then this 2.7 billions gets converted into 2,700 million pounds. Now the units are common in both the years. So that makes our subtraction easy, and we can figure out how many more million pounds of milk production happened in 2014 than in the year 2007. The subtraction over here gives you 1720, and understand the units over here is million pounds. But if you look into the questioning part, he's asking you in terms of million gallons. So again, there is a need of converting the units from pounds to gallons. Here in the question, it's given 1 gallon is 8.6 pounds, which means 1 pound is 1 by 8.6 gallons. And this, I always tell you to avoid calculations in terms of decimals and fractions. So to avoid this decimal 8.6, I convert this into fraction, and this becomes 10 by 86 gallons. So 1 pound is 10 by 86 gallon. So if you put that value over here in place of pounds, this is 10 by 86, and this turns out into million gallons. This is 17200 by 86. 86 twos is 172. So finally you have 200 as the answer. And we have taken care ensuring that the units are converted into million gallons. Now the answer to this question must be B. Hope you people got the answer explanation. So if you seriously followed working this question, I'll be giving you a similar question for practice. Try work this question and post your answer in the comments. I'll be eagerly waiting to see your comments. Good luck.